how do we know nga ganahan nimo makuha og life insurance? Number one, kung breadwinner ka, and for whatever happens, nara ba kay savings nga up to 10 years of your annual income? Kay kung something happens to you, your family will recover gapon sila at least 10 years. Kay by stats man god, mostly ang dependent sa breadwinner, maka-recover na sila for the span of 10 years, 5 to 10 years. Second is, kuan, nara ba kay 1 million peso nga emergency fund just for in case critical illness hit you, because critical illness right now is ano na magduwa doon na sa 500,000 up to millions of pesos ang kuan sa critical illness. Third is, ano ba kay savings nga 5 to 10 years, kay ngano man at least 5 to 10 years kay ngano man, kay kung mahit ka critical illness, napo ka recovery period on ya maintenance and check-ups nimo, hindi makakatrabaho, so kinsa may mo kuan na masagot ana, at least na akay naka-save nga 5 to 10 years, di ba, nga income kay para recovery nimo. Nakakasurya karon iyang maintenance karon, monthly maintenance is 15,000. Dako kayo na nga kuan ko na kay ma-save na. So fourth is imong retirement fund is mo-covered ba ang 20 years of non-working years nimo. So for example, after mo retire until 18 at the age of 80 nimo, makasustain ba na imong retirement fund karon until 80 years old nimo, just in case nga mo retire ka at your age of 60. So number 5 is college educational fund. That is for your kids, right? Because dili man jud na kapugngan nga imong mga anak mudag ko ang eskwela na sila o ganahan sila kurso nga ilang ganahan nga atuan. So nakadepende na nimo nana ba kay gi-set aside nga fund nga plan para nila unya makakuan po na sa sustain po na sa tuition fee nga nag-inflate every year from zero. Kung 0 years old pa sila karon, unya 50,000 na ang tuition fee karon sa province na, and the ka-80 nila is na sa mga 90,000 per year ang tuition fee. So that's one thing you can consider. So either of those five checkpoints, kung wala ka adto, so you need, I'm sure need jud nimo og life insurance. And yeah, you can find a financial advisor near you, and yeah, they can give you a better plan that will suit your future goals and needs. Thanks.